Good morning, everyone. I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to today's orientation for the Dallas Mavericks. My name is TJ and I'm the Human Resource Manager here at the Dallas Mavericks. I've been here for 2 years. I started in a sales position and then made my way over to Human Resources when a position became available. I love working here at the Mavericks. Everyone here is nice. We have a great culture here. And coming into a basketball arena to do my job every day is very fulfilling and an exciting experience. Firstly, congratulations to each and every one of you for making it to the orientation today. It's a big achievement. We had many applicants for these positions, but you guys stood out and you are someone that we see that can contribute to our organization. And we're very excited to get you on board and get started. So give each other a round of applause. Well done. Before we get any deeper into our orientation, I'm just going to hand out these activity sheets, okay? Just a couple of questions on there. I'm going to give you a bit of time now just to fill out the first four, a couple of personal ones, just your name, what department here you're going to work for, who's your favorite basketball player or team. It doesn't necessarily have to be us, but we also want to know what made you want to work for the Mavericks to start with. Okay. While you're filling that out, we're just going to give you some background information about the Dallas Mavericks. We were founded in 1980, and in the year 2000, Mark Cuban bought us. And we won our first and only NBA championship in 2011 in Game 6 against the Miami Heat. Now, this last point is very important. It is the Mavericks Mission. And according to Ferguson 2018, the Dallas Mavericks want to set the standard for fan experience, unmatched emotional connection, and have an extraordinary work culture. Okay, so that's very important. That's what we strive to do each and every day here at the Mavericks. Now, here we have Human Resources, which is my department here, obviously. Now, firstly, it is important to recognize that our people are our greatest asset here at the Mavericks. Okay, so our department is here to help provide you with all the support and resources that you need in order to be successful here. According to Mariam et al. 2014, the main goal of human resources is to increase employment performance while developing a positive business culture and improving employee engagement and productivity. We also prioritize employees' wellness and personal development, and we want you to feel valued and supported here at Dallas Mavericks in order to achieve your full potential and in turn help us as an organization achieve our goals. In addition to that, a few things that my job entails is the recruiting, interviewing, and hiring of employees, which you've been a part of the process. But it doesn't stop there. We have to give training programs and performance reviews. Okay, the performance reviews are nothing to be worried about. It's just me checking in to make sure that you are achieving your own individual goals, our department goals, and the goals as a whole organization. Okay. I'm also in charge of the wages and benefits and employee relations throughout the organization. Okay. So we aim to achieve our success through continuous training, as I said, with the training programs, keeping you all up to date on the latest skills and knowledge that is available to us. And whether that be technology-based, new advancements in technology, or more about the laws and what you're entitled to with certain benefits and lunch hours and working hours and things like that, okay? So the performance reviews will be done once a month for the first 3 months, and then after that it will be every 3 months will be a performance review, okay? So you'll be seeing a bit of me early while you're here, and then the time will be spread out a little bit more. Okay, so before we move on, we're going to fill out the rest of that activity sheet and answer what values we hold, okay? But leave the Mavericks one blank because we're going to watch a video, and that's going to explain more about the Dallas Mavericks values, okay? So I'll play that video for you now.
I think first of all, we have to really make sure that our zero tolerance approach is understood by everybody. And I met with the team this afternoon to just talk a little bit about what I mean about diversity and inclusion, with inclusion coming first. And sometimes I describe it as it's not just about counting the numbers, which is diversity. We focus a lot on representation, but inclusion is about making the numbers count. It's about making sure that every individual is respected, is treated fairly, is invited to be in meetings, invited to participate, that we don't have biases and stereotypes, because we bring baggage. Sometimes you just bring baggage from when you wake up in the morning. But when you walk into the doors of the Dallas Mavericks, we have to make sure everybody's included. So I think that's going to be a big challenge. And it's not just a challenge with the Dallas Mavericks. I think it's a challenge in corporate America. It's a challenge in the world, period, to make sure that it's not just about the mix and what people look like, but to make sure they have a sense of belonging at work. And so I think what you will see is a shift in general with people focused more on inclusion. And I am determined, Mark is determined, that the Dallas Mavericks will be the standard. We're laying out a vision that says by 2019, the Dallas Mavericks will be the standard. We will be leading the way in inclusion and diversity. We will focus on character. In fact, I told our team today, it's all about respect and fairness. We're focused on character, respect, authenticity, fairness, teamwork, and safety. And when I say safety, I mean physical and emotional safety. So I think just getting those values into the culture is not easy, but we will get there. The operational effectiveness, we have fabulous people. We will put complaint processes in place. There are tools out there that we will use. We will get that organized pretty quickly.
Okay, so our values here at the Mavericks are remembered by the acronym CRAFTS, okay, which, as we saw in the video, is character, respect, authenticity, fairness, teamwork, and safety, okay? And so character is how you see yourself as a person, individual, okay? The ethics that you hold yourself to is the character that we're after. So hypothetically, on ethics, as a perk of working here at the Mavericks, we get free tickets. Now, let's say you're leaving work for the day and there was a person outside trying to buy tickets. Put your hand up if you would sell your tickets to the person outside. Okay, put your hand up if you would sell your tickets and upsell them for a higher price. Okay, put your hand up if you would not sell your tickets. Okay, so that just comes down to each of us as individuals and the characteristics and the ethics that we hold, okay? I don't think anyone should be selling tickets or upselling them at all, okay? Now, next is respect, okay? This is how you treat your fellow employees, the fans, the sponsors, and the shareholders here at the organization, but most importantly, yourself, okay? Respect yourself, and if you have any problem, we have a zero tolerance here, and we will, with any serious misconduct, we'll take it further and make sure that you are feeling comfortable here at the Mavericks. Now, it is easy to ask someone how they're feeling or pass on your best wishes, But we really want to follow up, and if you see someone that doesn't seem like themselves, follow up, be kind, and be authentic, okay? Now, to be fair is to be equal and open-minded. We have a very diverse and inclusive culture here, and it is driven by these values that we stand by every day, okay? Teamwork. No one individual is bigger than the team here at the Mavericks, okay? We all want to reach our goals, and we're going to do that as a team. Safety, as mentioned by Cynthia Marshall, our CEO, in that video. Safety not only refers to our own personal safety, physical safety, sorry, but also our mental safety, okay? Again, we have zero tolerance for any serious misconduct, and if you feel that something is inappropriate, report it to either your department manager or myself, okay? And as you can see here, from March 2019, we have a 50-50 male to female split, okay? We're very diverse and 47% people of color, okay? But we really want to strive to be inclusive, okay? We can be diverse and have as many backgrounds, as many different sexes and ages as we want, but we really need to go above and beyond to be inclusive, okay? And involve everyone in decisions and everything that we need for the organization, okay? Now, so most importantly, out of today's orientation, we want you to uphold our core values, which is crafts, okay? Character, respect, authenticity, fairness, teamwork, and safety, okay? Help us reach our goals by being the best you can be here, and work to help yourself. If you see any problems, speak up about it, okay? As I explained earlier, human resources is an integral part of any organization, and the HR department covers a wide range of business operations. And according to SANS 2020, it is a significant component for helping an organization reach their goals. You have all already been through 3 crucial elements in the human resource management process, successfully being recruited, selected, and now sitting your orientation. The orientation is important to understand our cultures and what we strive to achieve, our values, and what we expect from you going forward, okay? From here, I'll take you to your department managers and they'll show you around the department, and you'll go through some personal goals together, what you want to achieve, and also department goals. Okay, I'll check in with you later today and see how we're all getting along. And yeah, enjoy your day and go the Mavericks. It was nice to meet you all.